Hi guys, welcome to HowTo with yet another video. In this video, I'll show you how to free up some space on your Windows 10 PC. So sometimes you may be running low on your storage space. So in this case, if you are on Windows 10 File Creators update, you will get notification about it. That's the cool thing about this Windows 10 File Creators update. If you are running low on storage space, you will get this notification. See this delete previous version of, because I have just updated to the latest version. In the older version it wouldn't, but now there are some couple of cool features. You can actually set it to automatically delete temporary files and or previous version of the Windows, but by default it's turned off. You can do that. So by doing so, you can actually make sure that your system has enough space on its main drive, C drive, especially when the C is launched storage space. Sometimes PC can lag in its performance, so it's always good to maintain its storage space. Here I'll show you how to do that. If you want to delete, you can just choose that application. It will take you to this option. So that option is under the system, and you can see the storage. You can also clean up your storage, type in cleanup and choose the disk cleanup and click OK, and it will analyze how much space you can free up here. It's showing about 220, and you can also choose which of the files you want and which of the files you don't want from here. You can also clean up the system files, and if you click the system files, and it will analyze again. It will ask about the drive you want to clean up, and it will analyze. That's how it works. This is how you do it in the previous version of the Windows. But in the latest version, however, I'm canceling this. In the latest version, however, you have this option on the settings app. Go to system, then storage, and here you have an option, storage sense. This is a new feature. If you set it on, the system will automatically free up some space by getting rid of some files like temporary files and or previous version of the Windows, or files in your recycle bin. By doing so, you can always maintain the storage space on your C drive. That's one way. And if you want to free up some space on per certain drive, what you needed to do is just again go to system and storage and choose the drive that you want to free up some space on. So here in this case, see here, you can see that I'm running low on storage. Like here, there are only 5 gigabytes of free space on C drive. So I need to free up some space. So I'm going to delete some unwanted files from here. So system, storage, and C drive. And here you can see all the files and folders that's utilizing this particular drive. And here what I am going to do is I'm going to delete these temporary files. So I have these options here. Temporary files, apps can store temporary information in specific folders. This can be cleaned up manually if the app doesn't do it automatically. That's about 1.4 gigabytes. So some apps are utilizing these. So I'm going to delete that. And downloads folder, there are 1.28 gigabytes. If you want to delete some files that you have downloaded to your downloaded folder, you can also clean up from here. But however, there can be some files and folders that you have downloaded you don't want to clean up. So I recommend doing it manually. So in this case, I will manually do it. I'll go to download folder and delete the files and folders I don't need any longer. The files and folders in the recycle bins must be unwanted because you have already deleted. There are 4.36 megabytes of files on my recycle bin, but if you want to delete them all, just choose that as well. So here the main one is the previous version of Windows. Here you can see that once you update your Windows system, it will automatically create this windows.old. This is the one mainly utilizing the storage space on that drive. I want to delete this because I don't want to go back. However, before you delete, make sure that you will no longer need to go back to your previous version. Make sure that you are okay with the latest version that you have installed or you have updated to. Once you delete this, you won't be able to go back or restore your previous version of Windows. Then if you are ready, then choose that and click remove files. I'll start removing, and here you can see the progress of deletion. So now the from 5 gigabytes it has come back to 9.70. So about 4 gigabytes have been freed up. See that? Now it's 11.1 gigabytes. That's how it works. That's how you free up space on your C drive. And you can also set it to automatically delete these files, temporary files, and turn this on. Then the system will automatically free up space on your main drive. And you can also change some other settings, storage sense. If you click this, change how free up space, delete temporary files, and that my apps I'm using, delete files that have been in the recycle bin, and delete files in the downloads folder. But if you choose this, make sure that you always move necessary files from your download folder to some other drive, because once you choose this, Windows will automatically delete once in a while all the files that are in the download folder. Delete previous version of Windows. If you choose this, make sure that you'll no longer need to go back to the previous version each time you update to the latest version. If you are sure about that, you can also check this, then Windows will automatically delete that file as well. So here or there, let your PC go back to the previous version. We delete them automatically after 10 days. So once you choose this, it will be deleted after 10 days. So yeah, that's how you do that. That's how you free up some space on your Windows 10 PC. So I hope this helps. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos, tips and tricks like this. And thanks for watching.